When it comes to writing formulas and functions in Excel, it is easy to think of them as two of the same thing. And this might be because on the surface, they do look very similar. Well, in this very short presentation, I would like to break down and present the key differences between formulas and functions. So let's take a look. Starting with formulas. This is a statement written by the user. And another way of putting it is formulas are created by you. And then we have functions. And basically, this is a piece of code designed to calculate specific values. And another way of putting it is functions are pre-made for you for a specific task. To simplify this even further, functions are formulas that rely upon lines of code and have already been pre-written to carry out specific tasks. At this point in the course, you are probably familiar with some of the functions that are available. And if you are wondering how many there are, well, there is over 500 of them. Moving over to formulas. As I have mentioned, this is a statement written by the user. So if you are going to be writing formulas in Excel, there is one thing you must adhere to, and that is mathematical principles. If you do not adhere to mathematical principles, Excel will not understand your formulas. Or quite simply, your formulas will give you the wrong answers. Now, I do understand that not everyone is familiar with mathematical principles, so I'll be showing you a few things to get by. If you are going to be learning about formulas and function in Excel, there is a wise old saying that I hope you will adopt and live by, and it goes a little something like this. Rome wasn't built in a day. And you may have heard this saying before. So it's just going to take time and practice to get used to the language and principles of formulas and functions in Excel. So I hope I have shed some light on the topic for you. And now that you know the difference, I'd highly recommend that you get used to people calling formulas functions and functions formulas.